Can you imagine a major international event that overshadows the Earth even during the day? Something that happens quickly. Betelgeuse, a star in the Orion constellation, behaves differently, indicating that it may explode in a supernova, lighting up our sky like never before. But when will it happen? What kind of scientists, what secrets will this event reveal? Let's dive deeper into Betelgeuse's activity and impact on Earth and the entire solar system. Betelgeuse, 650 light-years from the Trinity, is much larger than a star. It is very red luminous, more than 100,000 times brighter than our Sun. But what does that mean? Well, the Betelgeuse is special not only because of its brilliance, but also because of its role in human culture. Derived from the Arabic word al-Jawza, meaning arm of the mighty, it has been seen for centuries, guiding travelers and impressing astronomers with its red glow. Imagine a star so massive it swallows up our entire solar system. At 10 million years old, Betelgeuse is smaller than our Sun, but its large size means it burns its fuel faster and has a shorter lifespan. Betelgeuse is nearing the end of its life and is nearing a spectacular end. A supernova explosion releasing energy and light. The last time Earth saw such an event was in 1604, with Kepler's supernova, which was visible during the day for several weeks. Betelgeuse's recent behavior has alarmed astronomers. Between October 2019 and the beginning of 2023, a significant decrease was observed, attracting the attention of astronomers worldwide. Although it appeared to have recovered in April 2023, in the following months it increased in brightness by 50%, leading to debate about its future. Could we see one of the biggest events in the world? Betelgeuse's erratic activity suggests we are closer to a spectacular explosion than we thought. Join us as scientists continue to explore Betelgeuse and uncover the mysteries of our neighborhood. But why the sudden change in brightness? Why did Betelgeuse, one of the most famous stars in our night sky, suddenly throw a celestial ball? Stars are not just bright spots in our night sky. They are dynamic people with their own life cycle, work, and secrets. For many celestial bodies, one can predict periodic changes in brightness that correspond to the rhythm of the Earth's seasons. Betelgeuse operated on a 400-day lunar cycle throughout its stellar life, but with the Great Dim, it seemed to defy its familiar nature and challenge our understanding of the wonders above. Now you may be wondering if we are on the verge of an amazing revelation. While the exact cause of Betelgeuse's antics is still under investigation, a compelling theory has emerged. This theory, which focuses on astrology and mass ejections, presents an interesting phenomenon. Think of Betelgeuse as a giant celestial volcano that explodes suddenly and throws a lot of mass into space. Previous observations from the Hubble Space Telescope have shown that Betelgeuse has already ejected large amounts of material from its surface into space. The ejection was a massive event, 400 billion times the mass released in solar terms, which is about as many times as our moon. These processes can create a thick cloud of dust around the star, affecting its brightness and making it harder to see. Then, when this dust began to disperse, or was pushed away by the star's radiation pressure, the barrier was removed. This may explain its return to normal brightness levels. In any case, these recent works point to a star that is not yet finished with its wonders. Many believe that Betelgeuse may be approaching the twilight of its life, a supernova event. A supernova is a catastrophic explosion, an explosion of energy that can engulf an entire galaxy. This phenomenon occurs when there is a sudden change in the mass of the star, such as the absorption of large amounts of material by a nearby star or, in the case of Betelgeuse, the exhaustion of nuclear fuel and mass is released into it. In the main, it creates a background. Stars that give off fallout stars like Betelgeuse, born from the decay of gas in atomic clouds, begin their journey by burning hydrogen in their cores. This first phase, known as the main sequence phase, lasts for millions of years and forms the backbone of the star's life. But when stars run out of hydrogen, they evolve and get a new source of energy. In the case of Betelgeuse, hydrogen begins to burn helium, resulting in the formation of carbon and oxygen. This transition from the main sequence phase to the helium-burning phase is marked by the expansion of the star into a red giant. Over time, the helium supply decreases, and the star continues to expand, entering other stages of fire characterized by heavier elements. The more massive the star, The faster this transition occurs due to the stronger atmospheric pressure. At the top, iron begins to form in the core. Unlike lighter elements, iron does not release energy when it melts, so the energy it produces is not enough to resist the star's pull. A balloon-like star explodes and explodes, followed by a massive collapse that produces the explosive power of a supernova. Recent research from Japan's Tohoku University suggests that this star may be in its carbon-burning phase. Lead researcher Hideo Seo believes the core will collapse decades after the coal reserves dry up. But not all researchers agree. Independent studies from Hungary's Konkoly Observatory show that Betelgeuse is still starting to burn helium. One thing scientists agree on despite these arguments is that Betelgeuse is the next supernova in the Milky Way. But the tree. If, for the sake of argument, Betelgeuse had already exploded in a bright supernova, we would be in the dark for another 650 years. So, while we are discussing and predicting the impending supernova, somewhere in the universe, this great event has already happened. We can only wait to travel through space and time to reach our energetic telescopes. Recent discoveries of Betelgeuse have sparked controversy in the astronomical community, drawing comparisons to another exciting discovery earlier this year. In 2023, SN 2023X, a new supernova discovered in a galaxy close to the Milky Way, reminded many of the mysterious, dynamic, and unexpected phenomena of the universe. This SN 2023X is unique, only a few million light-years away and producing a display of brightness that is much shorter than the light of its host galaxy. What surprised scientists and emergency observers alike was how frighteningly different Betelgeuse was to what many had predicted. The storm, the energy, and the subsequent explosion show what these giant stars do as they near the end of their life cycle. For many, SN 2023X is a glimpse of Betelgeuse's explosive death. The events appear to be similar to those seen in SN 2023X. Moreover, the connection between these two events reveals a broader theme of the interconnectedness of our universe. Whether it's a close friend like Betelgeuse or a distant supernova like SN 2023X, these cosmic phenomena are reminders of the dynamic and evolving nature of space. The world of space exploration is full of unexplored territories and unsolved mysteries, and nowhere is it clear. In our understanding of red giants such as Betelgeuse, despite their brilliance, these celestial giants hide some of the world's deepest secrets. At the most basic level, the life cycle of red giants, although mapped, is full of ambiguity. Although we know that these stars grow from the main sequence phase to the maximum, the intermediate processes are not well understood. These episodes, which may include eruptions, periodic contractions, and other disturbances, indicate the future of Betelgeuse. What we've seen so far is just the tip of the iceberg of Betelgeuse's changes. From its role in our cultural understanding of the world to its physical aspects, Betelgeuses reveal the mystery and power of our world. We may not have all the answers right now, but as we continue to watch, think, and learn, we are one step closer to understanding the fate of one of the world's greatest stars. Will it explode in a supernova tomorrow? Or will it burn quietly for thousands of years? Only time will tell, but one thing's for sure. Betelgeuse isn't over yet, and we're excited to see more of the world.